I'm here at ETG. Now, I've just been told off camera by Lindsay about when she took a trip to Ireland, she went to a company, they got 4 or 5 of these Mitsubishis. Scott, they said they absolutely loved them. Why is that?
So Mitsubishi is really the world's largest producer of EDM machines, Mitsubishi electronics generators. But really over the years, they've just become so easy to use, so reliable, and the level of technology you even get on the entry-level machines is absolutely amazing.
Exactly, so we're stood in front of one of those right now. Now Mitsubishi, like you say, have been making EDM machines for a number of years, a long time. These are prestigious machines. Why is this entry-level, but why does it also have the Mitsubishi quality?
So all our machines have the 12-year positional warranty, 0.1 to 0.3 wire, 0.35 RA, surface finish, auto threader, all the things you would expect from a standard in a machine. And just to give an idea of what level we start at the moment, we're cutting some samples for the sales guys out of some 440 stainless steel. These are some slide fits with 2.5 micron per side clearance, 0.25 wire, and you know, if you're looking at mold tools, press tools, medical parts, you know, even at our entry-level machine, this is
you can be making these all day.
This is what's achievable.
And this would be the backbone of your business.
It would be, yes.
And so, let's talk about, so obviously you need service with these machines, but they don't often go wrong, do they?
No. One of our, you know, when I first started, I don't know, 25, 30 years ago, service was a big thing. It was almost like a laboratories type machine. But now, out in the field, they've built in so many safeguards and monitoring systems into the machine tool. It really makes it so easy to use. And we see so many new users that have never used EDM before. You know, they're kind of scared of it maybe at first, coming on board, having a look, and suddenly realizing, do you know what, this is really quite easy to do.
Brilliant, easy to use, and it's got the 12-year positional warranty. You can't beat that for an entry-level EDM machine.
No, absolutely not.
Brilliant. Shall we have a quick look? You've got now, that was the S series. Shall we go and have a quick look at the R series right now? Okay, so the R series actually is kind of the more prestigious EDM machine from Mitsubishi. This is the high level. Now, what sets this apart from the S?
Yeah, okay, so obviously the cosmetics, you see that.
It's a nice looking machine.
Yeah, so we have slightly better surface finish. In the larger model, which is also available in the S line, we have a 4-filter system. We incorporate our tubular drive magnetic propulsion into the UV axis, and we have something on the machine called ODO, Operation Data Output, which enables people to track things like the wear parts and gives a report of what's actually going on with the machine.
Which is obviously, for some people, might be actually really critical to their traceability, their ISO 9001 accreditation.
Absolutely, absolutely. Also built into the R model, we track all consumables on both models, but we also have an electricity monitor in the R line, so we can control that or track that as well. And just to give you an idea of running costs, the complete machine is under £5.50 an hour to run. That's electricity, filters, all genuine spare parts, wire consumption.
Right, £5.50 an hour is an amazing running cost. What if I want to get my hands on one of these right now?
So we currently have stock of machine tools. We've also bought ahead a lot of stock, really on the basis of the success of last year. A lot of people getting into EDM for the first time, as well as existing users, and we're set really for a very, very good year.
Brilliant. So if you need an EDM machine right now, get down to ETG and get one of these Mitsubishi. They're selling fast.